You gotta get that. Gotta get the shirt. Gotta get the shirt. Gotta get the website. All right, y'all ready? Hey, you. If you suck at video editing, watch this whole video. Run it up. I hear this all the time. I want to do content, but I don't know how to edit video. I don't know. Huh? Listen, it's 2024. There's something for everything.
What do you mean by that?
If you have said this out of your mouth, the next 4 to 5 minutes will change your life. Only if you take action, of course. Let me show you where to go. First up, CapCut. Even if you have no idea what you're doing, there are templates, tutorials, and videos to show you what and how to do anything. Easiest place to make TikToks, Reels, Shorts, and anything else you can think of. Most importantly, it's free. It's free, very intuitive, easy to use with a low floor to help guide you your beginning stages of editing your content. I'm even starting to make TikToks now, which I'm terrible at, all thanks to CapCut. All right. Fiverr, from $5 to $500, somebody is waiting for you to film your fantastic content and make it into a beautiful work of art.
Okay.
That the world has all been waiting for. All you got to do is pay for it. We hire plumbers, mechanics, electricians, lawyers, doctors, etc., to do the things for us that we aren't proficient in. Why not do the same thing with your content creation? The majority of your favorite content creators have somebody editing their videos for them. It allows them and you to focus on the content and leave the experts to handle all the technical stuff. InVideo AI. Here's a tool that will do just about everything for you with AI.
That was easy.
There are plenty of videos talking about this service. And look, there's a fee, of course, depending on how much you wanted to do for you. Wisest. This video editor does all the nasty.
We don't do that here.
All of it.
Stop it. Get some help.
Just kidding. It edits all the pauses, trims away the fat, and adds jump cuts and transitions to jazz up your footage. There's a free plan as well as a starter plan. There's also a pro plan that gives you more tools like noise reduction, removes the watermark, of course, and even translating, which I think is cool because people don't talk about how you can make more money with YouTube translating your videos into other languages. Moral of the story, don't fall into the trap of not knowing how to do one thing to keep you from following your dreams. So many people talk themselves out of something before they even start, just because they're afraid of what they don't know. And this is why I make these type of videos. I thought I needed this camera. I thought I needed this light, that editing program, that setup, softbox, blah, 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 blah. All the while, the guy that has a flip phone still, a year ago, that started, now has 1 million subscribers and 10 million views. And I'm over here trying to save up for a Sony, Canon, Nikon. Tripping. I don't know why y'all tripping. Guys, find a way to get it done. It's not going to be perfect. It might not even be good. At least you've taken the first step. Now you just got to keep on going. What else is holding you back from pressing record? Let me know in the comments so I can address them in another video so we can get past them together. I'll be right here watching you win. This is K Dizzle DC. Follow me if you want to build a snowman.